All right, welcome back. So today we're going to go over commenting in Python, and something you might have already noticed is every time I start a video or I make code in Replit, you're going to see that I always have a hashtag and the title of the video. So if I get rid of this hashtag, I have commenting. And this is going to feed me an error because commenting isn't a thing, it's not defined or anything. But if I put a hashtag, this code will run and it will ignore whatever is passed through and after the hashtag. So if I were to print, let's say, hello, it's going to ignore what's after this hashtag on this line, continue, and print hello, as if nothing happened. So I can also do, let's say, hello, or maybe hello, and because there's no function or anything telling this hello to do anything, like print, it's just going to run by it again and have nothing there to print. So I could also include a hashtag because if you put a hashtag in your code, it's going to get ignored. But if you print and you have, let's say, quotations, and you say, this isn't ignored, and I print this, well, this hashtag is not ignored. It's actually ran through. So because we have quotations in our print, we're able to put the hashtag. Now, another way to comment, instead of putting those quotes without the print, those single quote and the hashtag, we could also just triple quote and nothing happens here. And on this line, nothing happens. So if you want to comment on more lines, then you could just use triple quotes. Now, people use this, programmers use this because they're able to make comments to themselves and say things like, well, if I print hello on the same line, I can say this line prints hello. And when I get rid of everything else, I can tell myself that this line prints hello. And this comment will not affect anything in my code. So that is pretty much it when it comes to commenting. It's really simple and really basic. And yeah, hopefully you learned something from this video, and thank you for watching.